In this video, I'm going to be making honey and suya glazed barbecue chicken. I'm going to start by adding some salt, and after that I'll go in with my seasoning cube. I'll be adding thyme, curry, ginger and garlic powder, and some soya spice. I'm going to add barbecue sauce. Then combine properly. I'm going to leave it to marinate about 30 minutes. Then I'll add to my grilling pan and grill for 15 minutes. I'll be making the honey and suya spice mixture I'll use in coating the chicken. I'm going to go in with my suya spice and 2 tablespoons of honey. I will then coat both sides of the chicken with the mixture. Then grill for 5 minutes. If you've gotten to this point, please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on your post notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!